Yeah, hi Larry. So I do work for Superior Court in Truancy, and our whole mission is to follow the law and get kids engaged in school. I know when I originally started, I thought I'd be chasing Ferris Bueller on his day off to school, and what I realized is some aspects of truancy are much darker than that, and that is where our team started to look for other resources like Escape to Peace to solve some of those problems.
And so when you saw the opportunity to work with Escape to Peace, how did not only how did that begin, but what has that path looked like?
Yeah, so when I very first started in court, there was a mom that I saw at the grocery store. Our kids went to the same school, and her daughter was missing and had been missing for quite a while. And she had been not going to school, and mom didn't know it. And so she had brought her two other kids in front of the court to look for some intervention. So for her fear of losing her other daughter, and what ended up happening is they found her daughter's purse and belongings in a local motel. And it's been about 12 years now, and I still run into that mom every day, and she doesn't know where her daughter is. And so that started informing a lot about what I looked for in the truancy court world.
Gotcha. And so, again, kind of following along on that path, can you talk a little bit about not just what the partnership looks like, but why this is such a unique situation for the court? In other words, obviously, I assume that your world is made of systems, but in order, obviously, for this partnership to exist, there had to be some exceptions to this system, so to speak, in order for the Escape to Peace and court partnership to develop. And that had to be, I assume, kind of a unique happening.
Yeah, it used to be that a kid was truant and they'd come in front of a judge, and the judge would create an order for them to go to school. And what we knew is that they had everything Carol had described, mental health issues, drug and alcohol, housing issues, poverty, all of those things. And it didn't make sense to put them in front of a judge. We needed that. We didn't need a hammer. We needed a scalpel to figure out what are those things that are causing them not to go to school. And a really good example is our team ordered a girl to court. She texted me in the morning and said, "I'm not coming. I'm not even in the county." And I was like, "No, you're coming, or we'll issue a warrant." Well, that's more trauma on a kid. I don't want to do that, but she was also in a very unsafe place. So that day, while running court, when she got there, she was applying for jobs, sitting next to us in court, applying for jobs, getting a phone, which I think you might have helped us get. We got her doctor appointments, dental appointment, all kinds of things. I needed Escape to Peace or somebody like that to be doing that when I'm trying to run a court. It's not a place for a system, right? It's a place for one-on-one human contact. That's what needed to happen.
Good. Well, you two keep up your good work, because it's very obvious that you are a vital link in this work. And I'm really grateful for you for all of the it appears that both of your eyes are open all the time, and that your mind is on Escape to Peace with respect to being a solution provider, but also you get the start, the middle, and the finish here, and that's super important. So thank you for being here. Thanks for your advocacy, and again, your evangelism for Escape to Peace. Thank you.